Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to send large video files on Facebook Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Google Drive and tap on plus icon and tap on upload, and now tap on the video which you want to share. So upload your video on your Google Drive, and after that open the video and tap on this red dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on share. Now tap on this icon here and now tap on change. If it's restricted, you will need to select here anyone with the link, and after that tap on this link icon and now open your Messenger and open the conversation where you want to send the video, and now paste the Google Drive link here and tap on send, and that's how you can send large video file on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.